If you have a fussy eater who hates pumpkin, well, I have a recipe for you. This Thanksgiving, we are making a pumpkin dump tiramisu. The best part is that it comes together in just 5 minutes. So, in step 1, I will show you how to make this pumpkin fluff, which is so creamy thanks to the addition of mascarpone cream. And then in step 2, we will assemble this dessert together. Let's get started. We need 1 can of pumpkin puree. Make sure to use 100% pure pumpkin. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Next, we need 1 box of Jello vanilla instant pudding mix. Mix well. 1 container of mascarpone cream. 1 container of Cool Whip, but hold back 1/2 cup. We'll use that remaining Cool Whip later to top our tiramisu. Mix well. You're looking for a fluffy, creamy consistency just like this. In the Cool Whip we set aside earlier, drizzle in some maple syrup and mix very well until you get this really nice, soft consistency. We're first going to add a thin layer of pumpkin fluff at the bottom. Okay, so now add a layer of Biscoff cookies. I like this better than the graham crackers because I feel like the cookies have more flavor. But if you want to use graham crackers, no problem. Okay, and then you can cut this into little pieces so that you fill up all the gaps. Optional, add 2 tablespoons of espresso to help moisten the cookies. In our cooking class, we actually used unsweetened hot cocoa instead. The bitterness was a nice contrast to the cookies and the kids loved it. Now add another layer of your cookie. And repeat the pattern: cookie, hot cocoa, pumpkin fluff. If you want a healthier version and actually a more delicious version of this already amazing recipe, you can make your own stabilized whipped cream, and I'll leave the recipe and the directions in the comment below. And then use an offset spatula. If not, use a butter knife to just smooth it out. Use a tea strainer to dust cocoa powder over the top. Refrigerate for 4 hours before serving. If you're looking for a quick and unexpected side dish for Thanksgiving, make sure to watch my next video. Kids love okra. Bon appétit!